There are new tax credits available to homeowners. Let's get into it. For most people, the journey starts with a home energy audit. The IRS will reimburse up to 30% of the cost of your audit with a maximum of $150. Then from there, you start to look at the different upgrades that can be installed in your home. So most people immediately think of windows and doors. The IRS each year has put forth a tax credit for qualifying windows and doors of up to 30% of the cost with a maximum each year of $600. From there, you start to think about insulation. The credit for insulation upgrades is up to 30% of the cost with a maximum $1,200 per year. And then from there, we get into some of the mechanical equipment. So natural gas. If you decide to install qualifying equipment, the IRS will reimburse you 30% of the cost up to $600. And if you're really looking to decarbonize your home and you start installing heat pumps or related equipment, you can receive a credit of up to 30% of the cost with a maximum $2,000 per year. So it's the first time in history that it really makes sense to start thinking strategically about which improvements you install in your home and exactly when you install those improvements. You want to make sure that you install qualifying equipment. So be sure to check the manufacturer's website to make sure that the equipment that you're installing meets the requirements for the tax credit. Thank you for listening. Reach out to your Ciel Home Performance Consultant if you have questions about any of the topics that I've covered in this video. Also, if you haven't already done so, schedule a home energy audit because that's really where all this starts. You can learn what credits are available to you now, what are the things that you should be thinking about doing now, and we can help you plan strategically between now and 2032